Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today we're back to making Franken food on the show. What is Franken food? Well, I love to take leftover ingredients and make brand new dishes. After all, isn't that what cooking is all about? Being creative, taking what you've learned from cooking one type of cuisine and making it your own. So all this Thai cooking has got me inspired. And today I'm going to be making a sort of Thai inspired grilled or roast or barbecue or even tandoori style chicken. Yes, what I'm doing is I'm taking that delicious Thai red curry paste that we made, and if you don't know how to make that, click here on the I button and watch that recipe. And I'm going to use the style of cooking used for tandoori chicken. So you marinate the chicken in yogurt and tandoori masala and then you sort of grill it. So I'm going to mix the Thai and the Indian together, and well, we're going to have a delicious chicken dish. I don't know what to call this exactly, but if you've got some creative names, leave me a comment below and let me know. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my chicken, and I'm using 2 full chicken legs that I'm going to separate into the thigh and the drumstick. Then I'm going to cut gashes into the chicken flesh, and the reason I do this is so that the marinade can penetrate right to the bone. Anyway, once my chicken is prepped, I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to get onto the marinade for this chicken, and I'm going to take about 40 grams of yogurt, full fat and Greek. Then I'm going to add in about 25 grams of that Thai curry paste and about 20 grams of peanut butter. I'm also going to throw in about half a teaspoon of fish sauce and a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to whisk everything together to make the marinade. Alright guys, I'll say it. Give it all a good mix. And then in goes my chicken into the marinade, and I'm going to give it all a good mix. Now, the longer you leave this to marinate, the better it's going to be, the more the flavor will penetrate the meat. But if you're in a hurry, even a 30-minute marination will do. Anyway, once it's all well mixed, set it aside. And while the chicken is marinating, I'm going to preheat my oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is done marinating, I'm going to put it on a wire rack in a baking tray. And of course, be sure to waste none of that marinade. Make sure you scoop it all out and put it over the chicken. And then I'm going to put it into my oven for about 30 minutes to cook. After 30 minutes of cooking, our chicken is ready. Well, almost, but it looks really good already. Anyway, you folks know I love to finish my chicken on the stove. So I've got that little papad jali of mine, or stovetop grill. And on goes the chicken, and you just cook it for like 30 seconds on each side to get a nice char on it. This gives it that sort of barbecue or outdoor cooking or cooking on coal kind of flavor. But yeah, that's it. Once that's done, it's done. And there you have it folks, our delicious Thai grilled barbecue roast chicken is ready. I still don't know what to call this thing. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, so it's time to taste the chicken, and guess who's back on the show? It's my dad.
Guys, it's a Sunday, it's 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I love doing 2 things. One is a vodka, nariyal pani, coconut water with bitters, and the second thing is to taste what this guy has cooked. And visually, it looks amazing.
Yes.
Now let's taste this thing.
I picked the piece with the most amount of char on it for myself.
Something very Thai about it. And I don't mean...
Yes, Dad, you are on Thai Food Month on Headbanger's Kitchen.
Oh, okay.
And there, this is my own version of a Thai chicken. Basically taking influence from Indian cooking, like tandoori chicken, but using Thai curry paste instead of tandoori masala. So technically it's a Thai tandoori chicken.
Guys, it's cooked through and through, and there's this subtle flavors like you're in the Far East. Unbelievable.
That's the lemongrass, the kaffir lime, the shrimp paste, all of that. And the chicken is juicy.
I leave the technical stuff to him. I'm just talking about the taste. It's beautiful, succulent, soft and tasty. The palate, it just lingers, the taste, it doesn't go away. So you can take a bite and relax, have a sip.
Yeah, because it is a little bit spicy.
Not for me.
Not for him, for me, but anyway, my dad has given the chicken the thumbs up, even though both his thumbs are unavailable at this very moment. But I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking.
Keep eating.
You can.
No, I don't finish it, no?
Yeah, finish it. Finish it.